Welcome to another video. We just got the phone call that the car is ready and we can pick it up tomorrow morning. Just starting the video out today. If you guys don't know what happened with the Porsche and everything, and you guys just came to this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys exactly what happened. Porsche, dumb of us, went through a car wash. I'll throw up the video right here of exactly what happened. We got in an accident in the car wash, and with that being said, the insurance, her insurance, ended up covering the entire car and fixing it. That's basically what happened. So let me throw you guys the video right here of the crash at the car wash. Did you see me jump out?
Yeah,
I think I
did.
my foot on the opposite side.
I think she wants to leave and I don't want her to leave without me.
If she's on the boat, then her car's jumping. Yeah, that's what the bike's going to car wash nightmare right now.
We got the Porsche sitting right here. This is what the damages are looking like. Haven't seen the first video. Got the blinker coming off right here. The whole headlight popped off when it happened. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video or not. Yeah, her whole rear end came all the way up to here, to this fender as well. Dented here, dented there, if you guys can see that. Scratched up the headlight right there, so probably need brand new headlights as well on both sides. And just mainly the front bumper. And what we want to do too is when we do go through the insurance company, we want to get some like aftermarket parts, like do the GT4 front bumper. If we can do like the vented fenders right here instead of OEM fenders. And then if we could do the front, do like a custom front as well. And just really customize this thing as much as we were going to do anyways. And custom headlights. So as you guys can see, that crash was pretty insane. Went underneath the car. It could have been extremely bad if it kept pulling the truck towards the Porsche and the truck hit the windshield, possibly crush us. That was just insane. So tomorrow the Porsche is finally fixed. The issues on it were the hood, the two fenders, and the front bumper and the headlights. So all that is fixed now, and in fact we got some upgraded goodies I will show you guys when we get to the shop tomorrow. Basically went through the car wash, got in an accident, went through insurance, took it to a body shop, and now tomorrow we are picking it up. We're gonna head on over to the shop and see what it looks like. Hopefully it's outside and we can take a look at it. Let's go there right now. We are rolling up to the shop right now. It's like right up there to the right. Actually, they have, you said two shops?
Yeah.
One on the left and the right?
Yeah, on the left and right.
So we're gonna have to see which side. I guess we'll go on the left first. Well, actually, oh, they're open. Do you see it? It's gotta be somewhere. I'm thinking. You think it'll be over here?
Yeah.
Oh, what the? You see it?
No, I don't see it.
Sheriff down as well. Well, dang, we thought we were gonna get here earlier than when they opened. Looks like they're here early as well. All right, let's go find this Porsche. Sheriff down. Rear bumper damage. Got a Corvette and a Mustang with 4 exhaust tips.
Hi. No, I'm picking something up. Oh, okay. Give me just a second. Hi. Good, how are you?
Give me a second. They were finishing washing the car.
So the car was over there. I knew it. Alyssa, you led me astray.
My bad.
Oh man, I kind of wanted to see it before. Whatever. So he's gonna bring it right here. He's over there. I guess they're washing it right now. Making it all nice and clean. Are you excited?
Yep.
Alyssa, your car is not ready. mean, it's gonna need. Do you have anything to do to go, like have breakfast and come back?
Oh, but it'll be done today?
It'll be done. No, I can show it to you. If you wanna come and see it, all
Sure.
they're doing is cleaning. The thing is, we told the kid, you called yesterday late, and we told the kid, okay, I'll be here early. Let's go here 10 minutes ago.
So he's just cleaning it and stuff.
It's just clean. If you want to come and see it,
yeah.
the guy in detail told me you have been sitting for too long, that I need to wax the whole car.
Yeah, we'll go grab something to eat or something.
But the fog lamps come with the bumper. They have a different plug because they have a plug for the model. So the bumper is it's a different. It's not for the Cayman. I mean, not for the Cayman. It is for the Cayman, but for a different model.
Oh, the GT4?
GT4.
Yeah.
Come and look at the front.
Okay. Oh, wow. Yes. I like it.
Oh, it's cute. Nice. The grills are kind of cheap, but that's what it comes with the bump.
Gotcha.
That's how they all come, with the mesh.
The ducts that go in here, we have to cut them because they were not for this bump.
That's so weird. Because we messaged the person directly and they're like, are you sure this all fits? It's all good.
No, the other ducts were about this long.
Oh, wow.
So it wouldn't fit in the bumper. They have
Yeah.
to cut the ducts in the back.
The headlights look fire.
Yeah, they look good.
Over here, they come amber, and then when you put the whole lights in, they become white.
It looks good. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, yeah, it looks turn white.
You put the blinker on? Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's sick.
That's neat.
Wow, that's your daytime running lights. Well, we just ran a couple errands. He said that they're cleaning the car right now, so we have to wait like an hour or two. It's been an hour or two, so now we're gonna go pick up the Porsche and drive it home finally. It should be ready to go. Without further ado, let's head back to the shop. Let's go pick up this Porsche. Do some rollers when we pick it up too. All right, we are back at the body shop. It should be all nice and cleaned up over there somewhere. He's flooring it. Oh. I thought he was gonna run it. Yeah, it should be ready to go when we get there. You still see it over there, or? No, they're done. Which means it probably is over here now. The blue is nice. Should have right there. Oh, your Porsche's in there. There she is. That's window louvers. Looking clean.
Ready?
But just adjusting the handle.
Nope. No.
Thank you. You're welcome. And they have not given me your keys yet. So.
Thank you.
For sure.
You guys can wash them, but they're waxed in 30 days. There's a little reminder. And then after the 30 days, if you want to call Sam and make it I wouldn't take it through a car wash. Doesn't look like you do anyway. But I wouldn't just in case because there's nothing to protect it right now. So.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. No more car washes. Alright, there she is. Looking good. It doesn't even look like the same car anymore. We actually drove through this before picking up the Porsche. And she wants to take some photos, like right here. I think that'd be pretty cool. Big trees. What do you think? Yeah, looks good. Dude, the headlights. So we actually got new headlights, new bumper, and they fixed the fenders here and a brand new hood. Oh, that was not good. How about we do this fast? Yeah. I just got done, little photo shoot. Now we're gonna do some rollers on the way home. So let's ride out. McLaren. Another person pulled over on this road, coming here and on the way back. They are on it. All right, let's head home. Let's talk about the Porsche. So it's actually a couple weeks later, and the Porsche is right there in the driveway, and we've done even more stuff to it, and I'm going to show you guys what we did. However, one thing I'm not going to show you in this video that we ended up doing is right there. Our friends over at Army Tricks hooked us up, and let's just say absolute game changer. Full exhaust system for the Porsche. Stay tuned. We are installing that. That'll probably come out in the next video. But with that being said, we also got more goodies on the car right now that I want to show you guys that we ended up doing. Let me show you the initial everything that we did at the body shop or got done at the body shop, and then I will show you guys what we ended up doing here at the house as far as more modifications. So, as you guys saw, front bumper was damaged, hood was damaged, or the front two fenders and the headlights. So all that is brand spanking new, except for the fenders. They actually fixed the two fenders. Everything else is brand new. The front bumper is new, headlights are new, hood is new, and everything is looking good. Oh, probably got a sneak peek of what else we did. It's coming along. This is exactly what we were going to do to this car anyways. So honestly, it was like a win-win situation. Now, what we did extra to the car, since you guys saw it last, if you guys didn't notice already, is right there. Boom! We found these off Facebook Marketplace, and it was an absolute steal. And I think it looks fantastic on this. It literally game changer. Like, completely changed the way that this car looks. Absolutely works so well with this car. Look at that. I think it looks proper now, and it looks really good. Oh, also, we upgraded the diffuser, so it's no longer the stock diffuser. And of course, the exhaust. Previously, we already did the spoiler. So basically, from what you guys saw last, we upgraded the wheels, diffuser, exhaust. Stay tuned for that. We'll get nice exhaust clips and installation going on. And then front bumper headlights. Oh, also, what we got going on for this as well is, let me just show you what's going on. So these are the wheels that were on it. We got these. These are the front fenders, and they are vented fenders. Full, like, this is real carbon. We just have to clean them up, repaint this, re-clear the carbon, and it is good to go. Like, it goes all the way down like that. I think it's gonna look so sick. We were trying to have the shop do that, but they said that there's rivets on the front fenders, and then we ended up talking to a couple Porsche owners, and they were like, what rivets are you even talking about? So I don't think the body shop wanted to do it. We're gonna do it ourselves then, and I think it's gonna absolutely complete the car. The only thing I think we are gonna do extra are the front fenders, side scoops, lower the car, and I think that's it. And then this car is absolutely complete. Let me give you guys an angle on this side. So what do you guys think? I think it came out really freaking good. These wheels are so sick. They are the SVF wheels. I love the little holes in the top here all the way around. And I love the spoke too. It fits this car so well. And the red calipers and the red center caps. So perfect. Boom. Alright, I think that's it. So that's it for the Porsche. Stay tuned. We got the exhaust right there to install. Army Tricks. We got the remote actually right here as well. So it comes with two of these, you guys will see in the video. Two of these open and closed exhaust valves, and a third button that I'll show you in the next video. I'm excited to install it, show you guys the video, so stay tuned. That'll probably most likely be in the next video. I will show you guys to end the video. I'm gonna show some rollers of the car completely the way it looks right now, and let me know what you guys think of the car. Are we heading in the right direction? I know when we installed the spoiler, you guys weren't a fan of, but I had the end vision of what it needed to look like in that spoiler. I think it's coming along quite nicely, and just let me know what you guys think. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Roll the rollers.